Good afternoon everyone. Welcome to my vlog. Happy weekend. Enjoy your weekend. I'm getting ready for going out today. I'll go to church, but before I go to church, I'll pass by Alwada Mall. Happy weekend. How many days in October? Today is 25. Next week is already in October. I'm the assistant team leader in church today. That's why I need to be in church early in ushering Saturday night service.